John was ready to put his new fence up until he realized he wasn't, because he was missing some of what he needed. To avoid this problem yourself, make sure you follow these steps to determine your material list. First, measure your yard. Then sketch a diagram of your fence line, including gates. To calculate out how many panels you need, divide each fence run by 6. Because that's how wide the panels are, rounding decimal points up. Remember to exclude your gates in your calculation. They are 4 feet wide. Add the total panels to the total number of gates. You typically need one more post than panels plus gates. Panels come with one post and no dig anchor system because they're designed to be attached to each other. Purchase the additional required posts separately as item BL19042, which contains one vinyl finishing post with a cap and no dig anchor system. Don't get frustrated, get your list right first.